everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
5 best table saw taper jig reviews. Number 5. Microjig tapering jig for table saw.
When tapering two adjacent sides, the first cut is exactly the same as we just showed. The jig remains set the same for the second cut, but the gripper is going to need to be adjusted because your part now rests on the table at an angle that you just cut. The trailing edge of your gripper is now down at an angle, so be sure to check the clearance again before you make your cut. Now your leg is perfectly tapered on 2 adjacent faces. With 2 adjacent faces tapered, cutting the 3rd and 4th faces is going to require a reset of the jig. The tapered face riding against the jig negates the angle of the jig, and so the angle needs to be doubled in order to make the next taper cut. Because the blade's set to 45 degrees, now you're just going to cut the sharp point off of your corners, forming an 8-sided tapered leg. Adjusting the angle of the jig and the position of the rip fence will allow you to cut many different 8-sided details. If your router table has enough clearance, you can even create some flute detail on the ends of your legs. Again, we've set up to pass just the corner of our leg over the top of the router bit. A round nose bit, set so it cuts no deeper than half of its own width, will give you an excellent fluted result. And of course, larger bits will give you larger flutes.
Rise and run scale is perfect up to 1 or 16 inches per foot. Degree scale can make up to 1 or 8 degree accurate cut. Features 2 separate scales, able to adjust taper between 0, 10 degree. 2 individual memory lock. Brand, Microjig. Weight, 3.4 pounds. Model, TJ5000. Color, yellow. Material, plastic. Dimension, 25 into 8.2 into 3.5 inches. Check the product price below. Number 4. Fulton taper jig for table saws 1, 2, 5, 4. Made from aluminum. Built in adjustable scale. Stops in backside. Can be used in both left and right side. Overall length 24 inches. Can make 3 inches taper per foot. Brand, Fulton. Weight, 2.15 pounds. Model, 1264. Color, grey plus black. Material, aluminum. Dimension, 24.4 into 3 into 1.5 inches. Check the product price below. Number 3. Wood river taper jig. Made entirely from aluminum. Comes with 2 5/8 inches push handle. Can taper up to 15 degree. Allows 3 inches per foot taper mark. Graduated scale. Compatible for both left and right side. Brand, Wood River. Weight, 1.82 pounds. Model, 03R2 2W. Color, steel. Material, aluminum. Dimension, 24.3 into 2.9 into 1.4 inches. Check the product price below. Number 2. Powertech 71035. Fully adjustable aluminum guide bar. Features a graduated scale. Able to make accurate taper up to 3 inches per foot. Backside stops. Overall length 24 inches. Brand, Powertech. Weight, 1.7 pounds. Model, 71035. Color, steel. Dimension, 24.5 into 2.8 into 1.5 inches. Check the product price below. Number 1. Rockler Taper Jig.
Rockler's tapering jig comes jam-packed with a lot of features, starting out with this 2 sections of high visibility, easy to read marking tape. It's 3 sections of high traction grip tape. It's 2 high pressure hold down clamps. It's hook at the end to hold your workpiece as you push it through the saw, and a handle to make it easy and safe as you push the whole unit through the table saw. Let me show you how it works.
Load your stock into the tapering jig and butt it up against the backstop and tighten your angled fence to lock in your taper angle. Tighten down both hold downs. Power on your saw, turn on your dust collection, and slowly progress the tapering jig through the saw to cut your taper on your material. The previous demonstration was utilizing the miter bar on the taper jig. We'll remove the miter bar and I'll show you how to utilize the taper jig with your table saw fence. Load your material as previously shown and adjust your table saw fence to remove the appropriate material to create your taper.
Here I have a piece of rough cut sapele that has a raw edge. We can use the tapering jig at the table saw to cut a nice clean edge, flip the board, remove the tapering jig, and rip the opposing edge nice and parallel to the first one. Let me show you how we do it.
Adjust your fence so it's parallel to the edge of the tapering jig. Load your material into the tapering jig and tighten down your hold downs. Feed the tapering jig with your stock at a slow, even pace. This creates a perfectly straight edge that is perpendicular to the face.
.36 inches miter bar. Angle setting index mark. ½ inches thick MDF. Can fit to any standard miter slots measuring 3 or 8 inches into 3/4 inches. Large push handle. 2 hold down clamps. Brand, Rockler. Weight, 6.7 pounds. Model, 1. Color, multi. Material, wood plus iron. Dimension, 7.9 into 36.2 into 1.2 inches. Check the product price below.
All the products are available on Amazon, and we listed down their Amazon links in the description. Check them out to know which one is best suited to your needs. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching it till the end. Hope you liked it and all your confusions have been cleared up. If so, then go and give a thumbs up. If you are new, consider subscribing to our channel for our future video notifications. We review all sorts of products based on our audience demand to make your decision easier. Please let us know which product you owned from the list and why. Also, let us know if we missed any of your favorite products which deserve to be here. Put the name of your products that you want to be reviewed by us in the comment section below. As always, we put the links of these mentioned products in the description below. Check them out for their best prices and details. We are not permitted to mention the prices in this video. So, cheers with the best wine!